Now what we're going to do is take our tappets and the springs and attach them to the valves. The tappets have a taper on them when assembled together, and it holds the spring attached to it, holds pressure on the valve, and that keeps it sealed until the camshaft pushes it down. Now we're going to start installing the springs. We just need to drop them in there, and then using the clamp we have here and a little jig we made, we're gonna clamp this down on the valve, and then using a small screwdriver with some grease, it'll stick to the back of the tappets. We're gonna put them in place. This is really the tricky part, getting them back in. We'll just dip the screwdriver in there, and you can see it gets a nice layer of grease, and the tappet at this point sticks right on. You want to make sure that the taper is facing down, so that taper is going this way, which is what we want. And actually I'm going to get a little bit of grease on the inside because that's also important. Now we'll put the first one in place, and then you got to kind of spin it around to the back, and then we'll put on the second one. And now we'll place on the second one, just like that. Now we can release the clamp, and you can see that was successful. And now we'll do that same process to the next 19 valves.